If I told you that flipping just $100 into $10,000 in 2025 is not only possible, but something complete beginners are doing quietly every single week, would you believe it? Most people think you need a big budget, special skills, or insider connections, but the truth is the opposite. In 2025, the people winning are not the ones with the most money. They're the ones who know the right method, the right timing, and the right digital opportunities that the world is ignoring. And today, I'm going to show you the exact beginner blueprint that transforms a small $100 seed into a four-figure income stream. If you VA failed before, even if you're starting from zero, and even if it sounds too good to be true right now. So stay with me, because every second of this video reveals a step you cannot skip. Most people waste their $100 on things that disappear in a day: food, entertainment, things that don't build anything. But when you flip money the smart way, your $100 becomes an asset, and assets multiply. That's what the wealthy understand, and that's what we're breaking down today. But before we dive into the strategy, let me ask you something powerful. If you had an extra $10,000 right now, what would you do with it? Pay off debt, start a business, upgrade your life, travel. Whatever your answer is, hold it in your mind, because that vision will fuel the discipline you need for the next few weeks. Now let's talk about the 2025 opportunity no one is noticing. There is a massive shift happening online. Platforms like TikTok Shop, Etsy, digital products, low content, AI markets, microservices, affiliate automation, and trending buyers' demand cycles are exploding quietly. Most beginners don't know this, but the world is now paying for speed, not perfection. People don't want to wait. Businesses don't want to wait. Customers don't want to wait. That means if you can provide something fast, simple, and valuably win, and you can do it with just $100. Imagine starting with one simple offer: a digital product, a microservice, a trending item flip, or an affiliate engine. Your $100 becomes your multiplier. You are not spending it; it's an investment into distribution, visibility, and leverage. First, you identify a demand spike. In 2025, some of the highest demand categories with low competition include AI-ready templates, financial trackers, digital planners, productivity tools, mini e-courses, TikTok trending products, and faceless content bundles. These are high-volume searches with buyer intent. That's exactly what you want. And before you think you need to be an expert, you don't. You need only one skill: the ability to follow a blueprint that already works. Now take your $100. You divide it into 3 power moves. Move 1. $20 goes into the tool that multiplies output, generally a basic AI tool or design platform. Move 2. $30 goes into micro advertising or marketplace boosting to get visibility fast. Move 3. $50 becomes your reinvestment engine that scales every sale into a bigger sale. This is how beginners grow without touching their savings. Let me give you a real example of how this blueprint works. Someone creates a simple digital template pack that solves a trending problem, maybe a budget planner, a fitness tracker, or a content automation sheet. They list it on Etsy or TikTok Shop. They boost it with $30. The template sells for $5, $7, or even $10. One sale a day becomes 3. 3 becomes 10. 10 becomes 100. And your reinvestment turns visibility into momentum. Your $100 flips itself. Or maybe you choose a microservice, a simple gig like social captions, thumbnail ideas, keyword optimization, AI voiceovers, faceless reels, or product descriptions. You list a service, boost a listing, deliver fast, build reviews, and raise prices. Beginners are turning $10 services into $400 day systems, and you can stack these microservices into a $10,000 income path by month 2 or 3 if you stay consistent. Now, here's where things get exciting, because the moment you make your first sale, everything changes. You're no longer guessing, you're duplicating what already worked. And duplication is how growth becomes exponential. Let me show you the mindset shift. The first time you make $5 online, you don't celebrate the $5, you celebrate the system. Because if a system works once, it can work 100 times. That's the difference between people who stay broke and people who transform their lives. The broke mindset says, I only made $5. The wealth mindset says, I only need to scale what made that $5. Now let's talk about where the $10,000 comes from. Most people think it comes from one big sale. But in reality, it comes from a predictable flywheel. 10 products that each make $10 a day, or one product that scales to $100 a day, or a microservice that becomes a monthly subscription, or a digital asset that becomes a passive revenue engine. In 2025, revenue stacking is king. You don't rely on one thing. You build multiple small income streams that add up to 4 figures fast. But to succeed, you must follow the golden rule. Consistency beats talent. Every single person I've seen flip small money into big money shared one trait: they kept going even when results were slow. They adjusted, they improved, they tested new keywords, new thumbnails, new angles, new descriptions. They used vidIQ and TubeBuddy trends to match what people were searching. They used low competition long-tail keywords to rank fast. They used curiosity hooks to get clicks. They used emotional storytelling to keep people watching. And they used simple transformation promises to convert watchers into buyers. Your success is not luck, it is math. If 100 people see your offer and 3% buy, you repeat until 1,000 people see it. Now, imagine waking up and seeing your first sale notification. You feel the spark. You start believing. Then you make your second sale, your 10th, your 50th. You reinvest $20, then $50, then $200. And suddenly, your side hustle is earning more than your job. You realize you were never lacking money. You were lacking the blueprint, and now you have it. But here's the emotional truth most people ignore. Your life changes the moment you understand that nobody is coming to save you. Not the government, not your boss, not your relatives. It's on you. And flipping $100 into $10,000 is not just about money. It's about proving to yourself that you can build something from nothing. You can create income. You can create opportunity. You can control your future. As you begin this journey, remember, the digital world rewards doers, not watchers. Every day you delay, someone else is starting. Someone else is listing. Someone else is learning. Someone else is getting paid. And that someone could be you. But you have to take the first step. Your blueprint is simple. Start small. Pick one offer. Target a trending keyword. Upload, boost, improve, repeat. Stack your wins. Scale your reinvestments. Build your flywheel. Chase consistency, not perfection. And before you know it, your $100 will flip itself again and again until you hit your first $10,000 milestone. And when you hit it tanned, trust me, you will look back and realize that the hardest part was simply starting. If you want more videos that guide you step by step, break down new 2025 money methods, reveal trends before they explode, and give you beginner-friendly income blueprints, make sure you check the next video on the channel. Your transformation starts now. For more content like this, visit the channel.